Are you looking for an adjustable bed frame? In this video, I will show you the best adjustable bed frames based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The fifth product on the list is the iDealBed 4i Custom Adjustable Bed Base. The iDealBed 4i Custom is the pinnacle of performance, combining perfectly executed precision and elegance into a single design. After years of research and development, meticulous craftsmanship has led to the creation of a modern engineering marvel unlike anything on the market. The folded design concept and simple two-step assembly process have been created with the consumer in mind. Innovative tubular steel frame increases structural support and extends the lifespan of any mattress. The iDealBed 4i includes state-of-the-art features that allow full customization in the bedroom, such as multi-smart mode massage, one-touch preset memory positions such as zero gravity, anti-snore, and flat. The sleek modern sturdy design is made to fit any decor with a neutral charcoal furniture-grade fabric. Two USB charge ports conveniently located on each side of the bed to charge your mobile devices or tablet. Bright white safety LED flash light built into the sleek ergonomic wireless backlit remote. Additional convenience features include under-the-bed lighting, remote safety lock feature, massage timer, programmable memory positions, and more. The iDealBed 4i wasn't only designed with medical benefits in mind, but also as the ultimate comfort and convenience piece in the bedroom. This adjustable bed includes ultra-quiet power lift motors with an 850 pounds lift capacity per side. iDealBed stands behind its quality and design with unmatched coverage that includes 3 years of full coverage and 10 years prorated on the entire bed. iDealBed's unmatched quality with manufacturing the 4i Custom, sourcing only the highest quality of materials. The fourth product on the list is the LUCID L300 Bed Base 5-minute assembly adjustable queen. The LUCID L300 adjustable bed base takes your Netflix movie night, detective novel, and breakfast in bed to a new level of comfort. Simply push a button on the wireless remote to find the perfect comfort position for you. Plus, it takes just 5 minutes to assemble and ships quickly. Enjoy exciting features like independent head and foot incline, dual USB charging ports, wireless remote with flashlight, and a programmable memory position. The motor is whisper quiet and will not interrupt your favorite TV show binge. The attractive upholstered frame adds to the style of your master suite. The bed base is backed by a 10-year warranty and is available in both queen and twin XL sizes. Remember, 2 twin XL bases make a king-size bed. Just push them together for individualized comfort for you and your partner, or sync them with the wireless remote control. Queen measures 59.5 x 79.5 x 15 inches. The third product on the list is the Sven Son Split King Adjustable Bed Base. Bionic Cool Gel-infused memory foam supports your full body, eliminates pressure points on your back, and wicks away unwanted heat while you sleep in Gaga land. The high-density foam supports and aligns your back, spine, and lumbar. This makes up for a perfect night of sleep to fully rest and recover from a productive day. With a tensile cover, tensile fabric is designed to provide advanced breathability and comfort. Slip-resistant mattress bottom and allergen-resistant cover with zippered bottom. What's even cooler is the app for Apple and Android that uses your iPad, iPhone, or Android to control all of the functions of the premium Sven Son adjustable bed base frame. The second product on the list is the Classic Brand's Adjustable Comfort Upholstered Adjustable Bed. Add the Classic Brand's Adjustable Comfort Adjustable Bed Base and transform your bedroom into the most used room in the house. Enjoy lifestyle benefits including watching TV, reading, working on laptop, and more. Unwind with the relaxing head and foot massage. This adjustable bed base is a low-cost alternative to the more expensive ergonomic brands with the same features included. Benefits of adjustable comfort adjustable bed base. With the adjustable comfort bed base, a box spring is not needed. It acts as a platform bed, creating more room for under-bed storage. The adjustable comfort bed base is great for customers who need to be elevated due to a medical condition, as well as customers who just want the lifestyle benefits of having an adjustable bed. The head and legs can be raised and lowered using the wireless remote control, while the massage unit adds soothing comfort. Perfect for watching TV, reading, or working on your computer. The adjustable comfort bed base ships small parcel and is easy to set up. Just unpack, assemble the frame and place your mattress on top. Works great with memory foam and latex mattresses, as well as adjustable bed-friendly spring mattresses. The adjustable comfort bed base has a sleek, contemporary look while providing the ultimate all-over support for your mattress. Zero gravity position. The zero gravity position simulates weightlessness and is similar to sleeping in a recliner. In this position, most of the stress in your lower back is eliminated, while increasing blood circulation, which reduces pressure points. Zero gravity also takes pressure off the heart and allows for easier breathing. Ergonomic features. Our adjustable comfort bed base has many lifestyle benefits. With a touch of a button, you can position yourself for ultimate comfort as you read, watch TV, talk on the phone, or use your computer. Not just for medical needs, our adjustable comfort bed base has many lifestyle benefits. With a touch of a button, you can position yourself for ultimate comfort as you read, study, watch television, talk on the phone, use your laptop computer, or play video games. Also, our adjustable comfort bed base is easy to sync, so each side of your king bed can be raised and lowered at the same time. The first product on the list is the Leggett and Platt Split King 2.0. With convenient wall hugger engineering that keeps you close to your nightstand, the Escape 2.0 foundation-style adjustable bed base is the perfect way to add effortless comfort to your bedroom. Unwind with the full-body massage or use the zero-gravity position to relax after a long day. Whether watching TV, working, or sleeping, you'll be able to find the perfect position with the touch of a button. This market leader comes with a backlit wireless remote and full-body dual massage with wave. What do you think? Sounds relaxing to me. It also has a zero-gravity button, snore, flat and 2 custom programmable positions, plus under-bed lighting. If that doesn't make up for an amazing number 1 place, I don't know what will. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.